Save this video if you or someone you know is going to have a mastectomy and eventually wanting 3D nipple tattoos in her future. I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to get that nipple tattoo completely reimbursed by insurance. My name is Jade Hernandez, and I have been a paramedical tattoo artist for the past 7 years, helping breast cancer survivors feel normal and whole after the breast reconstruction and after surviving breast cancer. First things first, let's talk about the Women's Health Cancer Rights Act, which is a federal law that makes insurance companies' health plans liable to cover mastectomies after breast cancer and breast reconstruction services, which is what your 3D nipple tattoo would be covered under. Now, where the loophole is, and unfortunately it's a little bit of a game, I'm hoping that changes, but more than likely your tattoo artist is going to be an out-of-network provider. In the case, if they are out of network, insurance companies can come back and decide what percentage they're willing to reimburse you for your nipple tattoo, something that is less than 100%. So the first thing that you can do is call your insurance provider and tell them that you are ready for a medical micropigmentation 3D nipple tattoo. Ask them for a list of in-network providers. Most insurance companies do not have a list of this sort. Like, this is not something that is readily available. So therefore, you have to go out of network to get this done. Let's just say that they do have an in-network list. I then want you to call all of the providers listed to confirm that this is a service that they're still offering. For as long as I have been doing nipple tattooing, I've only had one insurance company actually provide a list to a client. She then called all the providers to find out that none of them were offering this service anymore. And the reason why is because a lot of surgeons, doctors, and nurses though they were licensed to offer 3D nipple tattooing, they really did lack the tattooing skills and the artistic technicality. And so a lot of these nipple tattoos weren't lasting long term or were looking flat, cartoonish, all of the above. Just like I'm not a nurse or a surgeon, they aren't tattoo artists. And so today you'll actually see a lot of surgeons and nurses recommending other artists who specialize in this art form. If there is an artist that is still offering nipple tattoo services and is in network, I want you to look at their before and after gallery and just make sure that their artwork and their style resonates with you. Art is so subjective, and oftentimes this is the last part of a very long journey for most women when it comes to breast cancer and losing their breasts. And you want to be sure that this artist and their own flair and style resonates with you, because it's your body and you shouldn't have to sacrifice quality or what you want because it's covered or not covered by insurance. Another thing that's going to help you is getting a letter of recommendation and or a prescription from your breast reconstruction surgeon, basically stating that you are healed and that a medical micropigmentation and or 3D nipple tattoo, however they want to word it, is a vital component to your breast reconstruction and that they highly recommend you get one. That is also going to help your case. The other thing I like to tell my clients is to do a quick Google search on the Women's Health Cancer Rights Act, so the WHCRA, print out that federal law, because oftentimes the people that are getting your insurance reimbursement or your claims, they may not even be aware that there's this law. Include that with your paperwork. When you find an artist that you resonate with, that you want to work with, ask them if they help with medical reimbursement. There are certain protocols that they can do to be able to bill health insurance companies. I am one of those artists, and or other artists that I know work with third-party billing agencies who help with this process as well. Last thing, no matter what insurance reimburses you for, I always let my clients know that if you are unhappy, if you don't feel like it's fair, if it's anything less than 100%, you can actually reject that. So you can appeal it, deny it. And most clients who do deny it always end up getting a larger percentage reimbursed, if not 100% reimbursed. And a lot of people don't know that. So that is a huge key step in just like how to play this game. I wish this was an easier process for you. I hate that I even have to educate my clients on how to navigate this and that it's not an easy step. But unfortunately, it just is what it is. And so if you're watching this video and you are in insurance, or if you're a biller, if you have any other comments, tips, anything that like would help breast cancer survivors get their 3D nipple tattoo covered, please share in the comments. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, please comment below.